Welcome. If you want to update your location on your X, formerly Twitter profile using your PC, you're in the right place. Keeping your profile location current helps your followers know where you're based and can even help you connect with local communities or trends. Here's a step-by-step guide to changing your location on X after the latest update. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side menu and click on your profile icon. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all your tweets and profile details are displayed. Next, on your profile page, find and click the Edit Profile button. This button is usually located at the top right of your profile section. Clicking it will allow you to make changes to your profile information, including your display name, bio, website, and of course your location. Now, locate the text box labeled Location. Click inside this box to edit it. You can type in your new city, state, country, or even something creative if you prefer. Make sure the location you enter is exactly how you want it to appear on your profile, as this is what your followers and anyone visiting your profile will see. Once you've entered your new location, look for the Save button, typically found at the bottom or top right of the editing window. Click Save to confirm your changes. Your profile will update instantly, and your new location will be visible to everyone who visits your page. That's all it takes. Changing your location on X is quick and easy, and you can update it as often as you like. Keeping your information up to date ensures your profile stays relevant and helps you connect with people in your area or around the world. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a quick walkthrough. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy exploring X with your updated profile.